What is it like living in this digital age in a world where technology is ever advancing and the ways in which society is engaging continues to develop? In this video, I will be describing and reflecting on the learning progress throughout the module, referring to and discussing ideas from the articles and books I have read, and the videos I have watched will hopefully aid my journey and enhance my opinions and ideas. The initial reading was an article by John Norton collaborating the ideas of writers, researchers and neuroscientists to discuss whether the internet is changing the way we think. Carr explains, "I'm not thinking the way I used to think." This led me to consider whether the amount of information that people retain and the digital technologies are making us as a society lazier. Following the readings, it was interesting to map my own digital life, representing the ways in which I learn, the context in which I learn, and the physical tools I use to aid and support my learning. I had not initially considered things such as learning in a public environment, in spaces such as museums, or even watching documentaries, but these are all very valid and something which I later feel I can add to my map, elements of which enhance us as learners. I initially used pen and paper, but to fully engage with the module I wanted to utilise a digital tool and decided to explore Bubble US. What this led me to realise when we came back together as a group and discussed our mind maps was how varied these effective learning patterns can be, and although the tools can and do overlap, the way in which we use them can be somewhat different to our neighbour. Engaging with the tools or the environment also reflects personal choice.